Alright guys, so this is the bottom of the Harbor Freight saw. I did take one piece off already. This sits on here like so, with two little screws, screw bolts, to hold the shaft here. And there's a pin that goes through in front of the spring onto this actuator rod, which releases the angle on the turntable. So what happened was, this broke right here. This snapped. See, there's just let me grab that. This little piece right here goes through here, and there's always pressure on this plastic. And if it jams at all, well, the plastic snapped right here. Oh, you can see that. See that broke right there? So that's basically junk. But since I only paid $60 for this, and I don't think I got the warranty, I could look, but I'm not going to bring it in for warranty for a little piece of plastic. So that comes out. I just took a nail. Okay, so what I have here is just some 16 penny nails. They fit through that hole. I think this is going to work. Let's see. I'll take this apart the rest of the way. Take off these two. Now, this would work. You could use it without this bit on here, but I kind of like it, having it to, you know, quickly set angles. So okay, careful I don't lose how this thing goes together. So that's the clamp part. Okay, so that's out. Okay, so now I got the shaft out. I'm just going to take one of these nails. I don't know if I'll push that through. I think I'm just going to bend it. Okay, so here's my fix. I was just going to stick a nail through that hole and bend it and call it good. Of course, I went and tried to overdo it, and I broke this right where the hole was because I tried to bend it a little bit too much, the nail, and it actually snapped. This is some cheap pop metal stuff. So, got out the acetylene torch and just welded on this piece here. Now, of course, this is extremely long right now, but I'm gonna trim it down, something like, I'll cut it right there for now. Leave it a little bit proud. Now, if I back you up a little bit here, so there it is, fixed all metal release. You just pull it from the side, and then it'll rotate again. And you let go and it pops back in just like before. See? And now it's actually all metal. It's something they should have done in the first place instead of using that stupid piece of plastic, but I'm sure they're trying to save 10 cents, you know, so it's fixed. No more shit plastic piece. Gone. Alrighty. I can get back to work. There we go. Very good. Everything's working. Perfecto.